Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to add a nickname to your Facebook page on your PC using the latest update. It's a simple process that lets you personalize your profile even more. So let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and go to Facebook. Once you're logged in, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile photo. This will take you directly to your profile page. Now that you're on your profile, find the About section. It's usually located just below your cover photo or in the menu bar on your profile. Click on About to open up more detailed information about you. Next, scroll down or look for the Details About You section. This is where Facebook lets you add personal information like nicknames, birth names, and other details that help friends recognize you better. In this section, you'll see an option that says Add a nickname, a birth name. Click on that to begin adding your nickname. A small window will pop up prompting you to enter your new name. Here, you'll want to type in the nickname you want to display on your profile. But before you save it, make sure to select the correct name type. There's a drop-down menu where you should choose Nickname to ensure it appears properly on your page. Once you've entered your nickname and selected Nickname as the type, simply click the Save button. Your nickname will now be added to your profile, and it will be visible to your friends depending on your privacy settings. And that's it. Adding a nickname to your Facebook page on PC is quick and easy with this new update. It's a great way to let people know you by a different name, or just add a little personality to your profile. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. See you next time.